In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first LinkedIn newsletter. Let's jump right into it. To begin your LinkedIn newsletter journey, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to LinkedIn's official site. Simply open your internet browser and type in linkedin.com. This will take you directly to their homepage. Here, you'll find a few options for logging in. Whether you decide to use your Google or Microsoft account or simply log in with your email address and password, the choice is entirely yours. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. Direct your attention to the top of the page, where you will see the Me icon. It's located on the right-hand side of the navigation bar. Go ahead and click on it. This action opens up a drop-down menu with a variety of options, but for now, we're interested in the View Profile option. Click on it, and you'll be seamlessly navigated to your personal LinkedIn profile page. Now that you're on your profile page, you will notice your profile picture placed prominently. Directly beneath this picture, there's an option that reads, Add Profile section. By clicking here, a pop-up menu will appear. This menu is designed to enhance your profile's offerings, and from this point, you should click on Additional. I know navigating through these layers can seem a bit daunting at first, but fear not. LinkedIn structures it in this way to ensure you can access the specific features you need. Within the Additional section, you'll notice an option labeled Add Language. Click on that link. Adding a new language to your profile can be particularly advantageous, especially if your target audience communicates in multiple languages. As you begin typing the language you wish to add, LinkedIn will offer a helpful drop-down menu of suggestions. Simply choose the correct language from this list to proceed. Once you've selected the language, the next step involves choosing your proficiency level. You will see another drop-down here that presents options such as Basic, Conversational, Fluent, or Native. Don't stress too much if you're unsure about locking this in right now. You have the flexibility to change it later if necessary. After making your selection, ensure you click the Save button so that your changes are duly recorded. Should you desire to add more languages, you can absolutely repeat this process as many times as you need. Now, to view the languages you've added at any point, you can simply scroll down your profile page. Look until you find the Languages section, where everything should be itemized neatly. And there you have it. You're now all set to create content tailored to your multilingual audience, streamlining your communication across different cultures. That wraps up the essentials for establishing your first LinkedIn newsletter.